Hello, welcome back to Commerce Masters. We have been in the discussion of security market theories. The last class we discussed what is Elliott wave theory, and today we are going to discuss what is random walk theory. During the classes, in the last classes and all, I had already explained to you what is random walk and what is it and all, and you know what is random walk theory then. But now we are going somewhat deep in that. Okay, random walk theory is based upon the assumption that the market is strongly efficient. That is, strong form of EMH is the basic assumption of random walk theory. You know what is strong form of efficiency? Strong form of efficiency explains that if all the information, both private and public, relevant to the value of the security will be quickly and accurately reflected in the current market price. That means all the information will be reflected in the market price, and market price will change accordingly. The information, that is whether it is private or whether it is private or public, whatever it may be, all the information relevant to the security market prices will be reflected in the security price. So no, I already told you that no one can make any abnormal profit or abnormal security price change advantages and all. So what is this theory shows that the information is very efficient and the market is very efficient. Whatever the information comes to the market or whatever information is available, whether it is private or public, private means all the insider information and the public means publicly announced information, whatever it may be, that information will be reflected in the security prices. Okay, this is the strong form of EMH. You know what is a semi-strong and what is weak form of EMH. The random walk theory is based upon the assumption that the security market are dealing with security markets are efficient, strongly efficient. So the prices of the security moves in a random manner depending upon the flow of information. If the information comes negative, so the security prices will go down, and if the information is positive to the security market movement, the security prices will increase. Okay, so it will not show you any trend. That is the basic of this theory. Random walk means the prices of the security prices are not showing any trend, and the past is not repeated. Past trend of the security is not repeated in the future. It is not like that, but the security prices moves in a random manner. We cannot predict what will be the next movement up or down. Nobody can predict because this is a random walk. Okay, and the movement will be based on the availability of the information or the nature of the information comes to the market. Whatever it may be, if that is relevant to the private or public, if it is relevant to the security prices, it will be reflected in the security prices. That reflected means if the information is positive, the security price will increase, and if the information is negative, the prices will decrease. So we cannot predict until the information comes to the market. Okay, so the prices of today do not depend upon the prices of yesterday. That is, the history does not repeat. Since the change in the security prices of the particular day is characterized by the new piece of information which was not available earlier to any investor. That information is not available to anybody. If the information is available, it is available to everybody, and that will be reflected in the market. That's why I told you that no one can make any abnormal profit or any abnormal advantage over the information gap. Okay, there is no such information gap. This is the assumption. We cannot say in the real situation it is like that, but this is the assumption of random walk theory. Random walk theory suggests that changes in the stock prices have the same distribution and are independent of each other. Okay, according to random walk theory, the prices moves independent of each other because the time does not affect, and therefore it assumes the past movements or past trends of a stock prices or market cannot be used to predict its future movement. Got the idea? We cannot take the past trend or past movement to predict the future movement. The past movement is not a reason for the future movement. The future movement or the current movement is based only on the basis of the availability of the information, and that information will be available to each and every investors, and this will be reflected in the security prices. Okay, in short, random walk theory proclaims that stocks take a random and unpredictable path. That is random. This shows an unpredictable path, makes all methods of predicting stock prices futile in long run. In the long run, all the methods that we take to predict the future price movements will be in futile, will be in vain, according to this theory, because the movement of the security prices are not cannot be predicted on the basis of the past movements. You got the idea? Okay. So the key points of random walk theory, just not the key point. Random walk theory suggests that changes in the stock prices have the same distribution and are independent of each other. I explained to you. And random walk theory infers that the past movement or trend of a security prices market cannot be used to predict its future movement. I explained to you. Random walk theory believes that it is impossible to outperform the market without assuming additional risk. Okay. Random walk theory considers technical analysis undependable because it results in chartists only buying or selling a security after a move has occurred. Got the idea? According to random walk theorists, the technical analysis is vain. It is undependable. We cannot depend upon the technical analysis according to this school of thought. Okay, random walk theory considers fundamental analysis also undependable due to the often poor quality of information collected and its ability to be misinterpreted. Okay, so we cannot say this fundamental analysis information also dependable. We cannot say, according to this theory, they say that the information or on the fundamental factors also not dependable because some information may be misinterpreted and it may move in the opposite direction of actually it has to be moved. Okay, so this is random walk theory. According to random walk theory, we cannot predict the movement, and the movement of the security is not on the not on the basis of the past information, or no, based on the past movement, or the trend cannot be predicted, and this is random, and the movement of the security prices will only be based on the information, availability of the information. Okay, and this is based upon the basic assumption of the random walk theory is the market is strongly efficient. Okay, that's all. Thank you.